Hello everyone, happy June 11th. Today we celebrate adventure, wellness, and delicious treats. Let's explore 3 exciting events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Corn on the Cob Day. A day to enjoy this classic summer treat. A perfect gift could be gourmet corn seasoning, grilling accessories, or a farm fresh produce subscription. How do you like your corn on the cob? Let's share in the comments. Next, it's Making Life Beautiful Day. A celebration of acts of kindness and positivity. A thoughtful gift could be inspirational books, self-care kits, or a surprise gesture for a loved one. What's one way you make life beautiful? Share in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's National German Chocolate Cake Day. A day to indulge in this rich, delicious dessert. A great gift could be gourmet chocolate cake, baking kits, or a trip to a bakery. Have you ever baked one yourself? Share in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for June 26th to 30th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.